Hello, we're Redstone Robotics, and this past weekend we hosted an FTC competition at our high school. I assume most people watching this are familiar with FIRST, but for those who aren't, hi, thanks for clicking. FIRST is an organization aimed to inspire young people to be STEAM leaders. They have 3 programs, but we'll be focusing on their second one, FIRST Tech Challenge, which is for middle schoolers. Well, technically it's for high schoolers, but Michigan is different, and there's another program for high school called FRC, but I'm getting off topic. For the past 2 months, middle schoolers have been working hard on creating a robot to compete in this year's game, Power Play. How do you play Power Play? Well, watch the excellent game animation on the FIRST official channel because I'm not going to fully explain it all here. Since this is our competition, we had to set everything up the Friday before the competition. It takes quite a lot of time to get everything ready for the actual competition, so enjoy this quick time lapse. With everything set up, it's time for the competition itself. The day starts bright and early. First, every team fills into the pits and then the driver's meeting. After that, there's a small break and the first match begins. 2 of our teams are in this one, 6482 Redstorm Red and 10031 Redstorm Blue. I'm going to play the full match in its entirety with excellent commentary from Sarah. Is what I would be saying if the stream that I got this footage from had the audio working for this match. So, sorry to say it, you're stuck with my commentary. Auton starts. Redstorm Red moves forward. Redstorm Blue grabbing a cone, trying to place it on one of the mid-junctions, but missing. They move forward, try to grab another cone, but they aren't able to. Neither Red Arrow Robotics nor Wyoming Little Demons have moved during Auton. Nothing happens for like the next 15 seconds, so I'm just going to skip ahead. Driver controlled starts. Wyoming Little Demons moving forward and placing a cone onto the low zone. Redstorm Red placing one on the ground junction. Redstorm Blue grabbing a cone, placing it on one of the mid junctions. Redstorm Red again growing and grabbing another cone. Red Arrow Robotics just trying to grab a cone, not able to. Wyoming Little Demons trying to grab a cone as well. Redstorm Blue grabbing a cone. Redstorm Red placing a cone on the ground junction in the middle. Redstorm Red grabbing another cone. Redstorm Blue we see trying to place a cone on the mid junction, and they are able to. Redstorm Red going for the low junction, and they place it. Redstorm Red grabbing another cone. Looks like the Wyoming Little Demons are having a struggle getting across the field. Redstorm Red trying to place in the high junction, not able to bring their cone high enough, placing it on the mid junction instead. Seems both Red Arrow Robotics and Wyoming Little Demons are stuck in the corner. Redstorm Blue grabbing a cone, placing it on the mid junction on the opposing side of the field. Redstorm Red grabbing another cone as endgame starts. Redstorm Red placing their cone on top of Blue's, gaining them control. And here we see on the Blue Red Alliance, both beacons are placed out on the field. We see Redstorm Red and Blue trying to grab them. Redstorm Red grabs their beacon, but they drop it. 10 seconds left in this match. Can they grab their beacon? No, they give up. Redstorm Blue retreats to the corner. Red Arrow Robotics retreats, and so does Redstorm Red. Both of our teams ended up winning the match, 59-25, which, all things considered, is a pretty good first match. Then, 2 matches go by, and match 4 is upon us. In this match, there were 3 Redstorm teams. On the Red Alliance, there is 5292 Redstorm White and 17283 Redstorm Gray. On the Blue Alliance is 21906 Redstorm Gold, meaning that no matter which alliance wins, one of our teams wins, which is pretty cool. For this match, Kaylee will be commentating it since the audio for the stream has been fixed.
All right, looks like we're gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, go! And it looks like Redstorm Gold just got on a lower junction. And Redstorm White got on a middle junction.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're now on the driver. And it looks like Red Storm Gold is going for a cone. Looks like they're gonna try for a higher junction. Red Storm Gray just got on a middle junction. Red Storm White got on a high junction, and so did Red Storm Gold. And it looks like Red Storm White is trying to get a circuit. Looks like Red Storm Gold is trying to cap their cone. And they got it! All right, now we are in the end game. And it looks like the Gold Alliance is trying to put on their cap. Red Storm Gray is putting on their cap, and they got it. All right, and that concludes our match.
And let's see the scores from that last match. We've got a Red Alliance win from 74 to 71. That's a close match.
The next match that I want to show off is match number 8, which is Red Storm Green's first match.
All right, we're now going to start match 8 in 3, 2, 1, go! And it looked like the Code Red is trying to get their cone on a middle junction, and they made it! 10 seconds left in the autonomous, and it looks like everybody's done.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And that starts the driving. We have Red Storm Green. The Vikings just scored on a lower junction, and looks like they're going for a higher junction, and they did it. The Red Alliance is picking up a cone, and looks like they're putting it on a high junction. And Red Storm Green is also putting a cone on the high junction. They're really racking up points. We have Code Red going for that high junction again. And now it looks like Red Storm Green has picked up a cone. Looks like Code Red is going for that high junction, trying to cap on top of Blue Alliance's cone. All right, that is now end game. Code Red a bit stuck, and they got it. And Green put theirs right on top. They're really letting that circuit go. And it looks like the Vikings are putting their cap on, and they got it. They have now secured that junction. And that's it.
Let's see those results from that last match. We've got a Blue Alliance win, 82-48.
The focus of this video has been majority on the Red Storm teams and their experience, but there are 25 other teams besides them here, and I'd like to show some of them off, so I did a few interviews. Though, buyer beware, the audio is super scuffed since the camera I'm using already doesn't have the best microphone, but with the added cacophony of the competition and the students not directly talking into the mic, the audio is pretty terrible. I've done my best to adjust it in post, but it's still not the greatest. So, without further ado, commence the interview section.
Okay.
This arm, when we get the cones, it pinches in to get the cones, and then when we go on the junctions, it pushes this up and releases.
Cool.
No motors or servos at all, and the primary lifting mechanism.
So it's completely passive?
It's mechanical, yes.
Cool. And then what's this right here?
This makes it go up.
It's a slider.
That's our this part does have a motor, but up in and of itself.
So you can reach and put stuff on the poles.
Yeah.
And then is this your beacon right here?
This is our beacon. We also have a blue version of this. So it can go over the cone, but we can still get it easily because there's this.
Because you can still access the inside. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much. Who are you guys?
We're the meteors.
We're the meteors.
1, 2, 8, 4, 5.
We are from the
Forest Hills Middle. Yeah,
Forest Hills Middle School.
Walk me through how your robot works.
The important part is the arm because it goes down, gets the cone, picks it back up, and this. I'm not gonna do that.
Unfortunately,
Right, cascades, yeah.
in this tournament, our arms stopped working, and
Uh-oh.
we had to push all the cones around.
This is supposed to stay like
This is
this
supposed to stay.
and like move like this, but as you can see, it is very much spinning around.
Okay.
Way more than it needs to be.
Right.
It's cracked that we're gonna fix. So maybe, yeah. So that will be fixed too.
So it just kind of like comes down.
And our arm does fully extend, like how far?
Yep.
4 feet?
Yeah, 4 to 5 feet. I think 5 feet is the maximum. Which will allow us to basically stand right next to the human player station and stack on the height the height junction that's next to it.
Yeah.
For the elevation, we're running 2 of the yellow jacket motors in parallel, so you get the power of both of them. And then we're just doing continuous routing for the ropes, and we're using they're Misumi slides, so they're all aluminum, so they're really lightweight.
Oh, yeah.
So like, even the ball bearings are all aluminum in there, so it's incredibly light. So the whole robot's like 26 pounds.
That's really good.
Yeah, so we're actually looking at adding like steel belly pan on the bottom to weigh it down. Because we actually want just to make sure it'll never tip over. It doesn't right now, but we want to make sure it can't. We're chain running for the extension. That's loose. But we have chain running to extend, and then we also have these chains tying across to the worm drive over here that allows us to pivot it. So we have one motor going into a worm here inside this tube here. And when this spins, it spins these wheels that float up and down.
Right.
We have a need to change the angle because it broke, and therefore we couldn't use it. And also,
Right.
the only codes that we have put on it, we've just been putting them on the top one. So that's easy.
And our intake mechanism is actually pretty different. It has these rubber rollers that roll the cone up into this little 3D printed sleeve that we have, and it just holds it there until we're ready to release it.
Cool. Yeah, I like the custom print that you guys have for the cone. That's super cool.
And we originally thought of having wheels on both sides, but we realized if we wanted to peel them up off the wall by the stacks on the wall, we couldn't have the wheels, so we're using this so we can kind of grab it when it's against the wall anyway.
And is that a prototype?
Yeah, so we used a prototype here. Originally, we could take out a second set of wheels, but we realized that having a block there, it would still grab it tightly, but we were able to have a much thinner.
robot, we use this rail. So what happens, it flips up. This can go up. This goes up. Moves up. And so it does, when it goes down into a cone, it splits open. And so we can pick it up.
I see, yeah.
And then we just drop it like that. And it can go all the way to the high ones.
Okay.
We use Mecanum drives. It's 13 by 15. 40 to 1. We did not fabricate it ourselves.
It's entirely custom. The chassis itself, everything that doesn't have name on it,
Right.
is custom.
Cool. And then that's your Beacon.
Yep.
On our team is 59.
There we go. You want to show me how it works?
So how it works is, so currently we don't have drive set up. When drive is set up, it's this joystick runs the wheels forward and backwards. Because we had a limit to how many motors we could use, we can't turn it. But when we have drive set up, it can drive forwards and backwards. And then we set the triggers. So this, when it's turned on, so this spins in there and it dispenses candy. It's jammed right now. Yeah, it is, but
Little
it
stuck.
dispenses candy.
Yep.
And then this trigger, candy comes up the conveyor belt and then goes down like that.
Cool. Thank you guys so much. All right. Well, walk me through some of your robots. Show me how it works.
I'll say, so the Star Stairs lift, it is a spring-loaded design so that it can go up pretty fast, and then we use a pulley to bring it down. And we have multiple bars, and it can go really low, but that can go really high. Your turn.
This is our grabber. It can open and close like so.
Uh-huh.
And we use these so the cones can stay in place.
Right.
And so they don't move. Turret can go all the way around the robot so we can score from any side.
How does the turret move?
This wheel will rotate.
That wheel rotates, and so it's like a crane, right? Awesome. Okay.
Grabber, turret, drivetrain.
Introduce yourselves. Who are you guys?
I'm Alex.
You're Alex. You're. What team are you guys on? Okay. And where is that? Where are you guys located? What school?
Portland, Michigan.
Portland, Michigan.
We're Naomi and Lansing.
All right. Well, walk me through your robot. How does it work?
This is supposed to go up, except for apparently we lost screws we learned.
Uh-oh.
So it was doing this and dragging across the arena. It's supposed to go up. This is supposed to extend out, and it's supposed to have claws to pick our bones up, but we couldn't figure that out in time.
Okay.
Which,
So you just have a crane that lifts
yeah,
up and down.
It does nothing, and it's basically a push button.
Okay.
This will extend.
And then that'll drive forward. And then is this your sister team? Are you guys from the same middle school?
Yes.
Or we are. You guys are?
They're
Okay.
first time.
Oh, you're better.
Yeah, they got
Okay. Well, now you got to talk the talk. What's going on over here?
So, this is Team 15397's robot this year. It's gone through several different variations, mostly in the arm design. This has seen some changes as well. We started off with omnidirectional wheels. However, those are a bit hard to program. And the arm itself has gone through so many variations. First variation was a regular arm that someone on our team built. Problem was it was too heavy, so when we put it on our robot, it literally just bent in two. So we then tried to do a design that our mentor, Mr. Cross, did, where it's straight and it pulls up. There are ways to buy it online, however, by the time we could get it, it was sold out.
Okay.
The claws themselves have also gone through quite a bit of variation. We started off with just metal, however now we decided on rubber bands because they wrap around and they give good grip. And our only win of tonight was
arm that pivots upwards, then you grab the cones here and place them up. Can you reach all the way up to the highest rung?
That's the thing. We can only do small junctions.
Got it.
We were doing servo claws for the longest time. Our servos were just kind of...
Too weak?
Yeah, well, not too weak. They just burnt out really easily.
Yeah, okay.
So...
You switched to motor.
Yes.
Cool.
That's about it.
Well, thank you.
Whew, that was a lot of interviews. And oh, would you look at the time? It's time for alliance selection. At the end of qualifications, the rankings look like this. To point out our teams, Red Storm Gray is in 6th place, Red Storm White is in 14th, Red Storm Green is in 17th, Red Storm Blue is in 20th, Red Storm Gold is in 23rd, closely followed by Red Storm Red in 25th. And for those wondering, the average rank is 17.5, which is a little below the halfway point of the total teams being 15.5. So all in all, we performed slightly below average, but honestly, who cares? With all that being said, let's start alliance selection.
Let's meet our number 4 seed team, 11228 Overclocked Bots. And now please welcome the number 3 seed team, Team 10104, That Other Team. And now the number 2 team, Team 8027, Twisted Devils Blue. And last but certainly not least, our number 1 seed team, Team 5383 Neutrinos, breaking the laws of physics. And now, our number 1 seed will make the first pick. Which team would you like to invite to your alliance?
On behalf of Team 53 and 83 and all of our sponsors, we would like to invite Team 17283 to be our alliance partners.
Team 17283, Red Storm Robotics Gray. And do you accept this invitation?
On behalf of Team 17283, we graciously accept.
Congratulations! Now we'll move down to the next alliance captain. Which team would you like to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 8027, we would like to invite Team 9087 to our alliance.
Team 9087, Twisted Devils Green.
On behalf of our sponsors, Graphic Packaging and Ecker Bordeaux, Team 9087 graciously accepts.
Congratulations, Alliance 2. And now moving on to Alliance 3, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 10104 and our sponsors, I would like to invite Team 15815.
15815, DCS Robotics. Do you accept this invitation?
Yes, we would. On behalf of DCS Robotics, Team 15815, we humbly accept the invitation.
Congratulations, Alliance 3. Alliance 4, Overclocked. Who would you like to join your alliance?
We would like to graciously invite Team 5980 to join our alliance.
Team 5980, the Tech Bikes.
On behalf of Team 5980 and our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Congratulations, Alliance 4. Neutrinos, who would you like to pick for your next team, alliance member?
On behalf of Team 5383 and all of our sponsors, we would like to invite Team 21906.
21906, Red Storm Robotics Gold. And do you accept or decline this invitation?
On behalf of Team 20906, Red Storm Gold, I graciously accept.
And our second alliance, who would you like to pick for your next alliance partner?
On behalf of Team 8027, we would like to select Team 10024.
10024, Twisted Devils Black.
On behalf of Team 10024 and all of our sponsors, I graciously accept.
A devious trio. Moving on to our third alliance, who would you like for your next alliance partner?
On behalf of Team 10104 and our sponsors, I would like to invite Team 18975.
Team 18975.
On behalf of Team 18975 and all our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Congratulations, Alliance 3. And circling back to Alliance 4, who would you like for your third alliance pick?
On behalf of Team 11228 and all of our sponsors, we would graciously like to accept Team 5384 to join our alliance.
Team 5384, Code Red Robotics, emergency situation? All right.
On behalf of 5384 and all of our generous sponsors, we graciously accept this honor.
Congratulations, Alliances. Well done. This looks to be an exciting tournament. Let's have a round of applause for all the teams competing here today. Congratulations to all for giving your best efforts in today's competition.
We're going to start matches at 4:50.
Wow. Okay, few things off the bat. The first seed alliance picked Gray as their first partner, which, if I'm being honest, I'm not sure why. Twisted Devils Green was a better option, but who knows. I'm also guessing that Gray's representative really sold gold to Code Red because there were definitely better picks left of them, but who cares? Another thing to note, and not calling them out for it, but the Twisted Devils all get on the same alliance, which is really cool for them, but come on. And now comes eliminations. The alliances will face off against each other in bracket format in best of 3 sets. We have recorded every single one of these matches, and so for posterity's sake, I'm going to show all of them to you in their full, entire length. Enjoy.
Let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go! Kicking it off, we have Team 5383 going for that mid-junction. Team 5384 doing the same. And Team 11228 going for that high junction. 17283 parking in their zone as 5384 places in the mid-junction and parks. Overclocked, parking in their zone. Sort of.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And kicking off our teleop. Team 17283 going for a cone to place as 11228 goes for that high junction almost, but 5383 caps him off. 5384 going in for that terminal cone. And 11228 places on the high junction as 5383 does the same. 17283 going around looking for their next cone. 11228 placing on the high junction as 5383 goes to do the same. 11228 going for another on that high junction as 5383 goes to do the same. 17283 capping off that blue alliance on the mid junction. 5383 going to do the same on the high. 11228 going for their 5th cone on the high junction. 5384 placing on the low junction. 17283 capping off, but 11228 is about to get ahead of them. 5383 on the high junction. 5384 going in for the high junction, covering up red. 11228 going in for the high junction again, almost. 5383 going to top off junction. We have now entered the end game period. 5384 grabbing another cone as 17283 goes to do the same. Who will be able to create their circuit first? 5384 looking to top off the red on that high junction, successfully doing so. 11228 parked in their terminal area. 5383 does the same. 5384 in their terminal area, and that's game. And in between cheers, let's let's hear those results for that first finals match. We have a Blue Alliance win, 121 to 109.
All right, let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, looks like the Twisted Devils. Blue is going for a high junction. Oh, they just barely. Oh, it fell on. All right, the autonomous, looks like everybody's done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, it looks like Twisted Devils Blue is going for a cone. All right, Twisted Devil Blue trying to get it on a high junction. Got it, finally. Looks like Twisted Devils Green trying to get it on another high junction as well as Blue, and they got it. Blue Alliance is trying to get it on a bottom one, a bottom junction. Twisted Devils Green putting it on a lower junction, and they got it. And another one. That is 5 on one junction for the Red Alliance. Looks like DCS is trying to take one. Oh, and they got it. They have taken a junction. And it looks like there are 7 cones on that one junction. Looks like they're going for an 8th. Oh, and DCS is going for that junction, and they did it. They have secured that junction, but the Twisted Devils Blue isn't going to let them. Oh, now DCS Robotics is going back, and they've captured it. It's a fight for this junction. Twisted Devil Blue is going back. All right, that is it's end game time now. And now they're putting the topper on that junction, securing it soon. And they made it! DCS Robotics needs to go. And they have capped. Oh! And that is it. Good job, teams.
All right, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go! And it's a go for all teams. 11228 going in for that high junction. 5383 doing the same, almost on that mid. 21906 placing on the low and parking in their respective zone with 5980 almost doing the same. Overclocked placing 2 on the high junction and then parking in their respective zone. Nope, they're placing a 3rd. Successfully.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And it's a go on teleop. 11228 goes right for that blue cone as 5383 does the same for the red, going to the high junction for the both of them. 5980 on the low junction as 21906 goes for their red cone. 5383 going back to the high junction as 11228 does the same. 21906 going for that mid junction and 5980 on the high. 11228 on the mid junction now as 5383 goes for the high, capping off that blue high junction. 21906 with a red as 11228 goes for that high junction. 5383 going in for the high junction again, capping off the blue. Will they be able to create a circuit by endgame? 5980 going in for another cone as they drive over one. 21906 slowly picking up that red cone as 5383 goes back to the high junction. 11228 has 5 on their high junction at the moment. 21906 back on the mid junction. And 11228 takes back their high junction, but 5383 is coming in again and stealing it back. 11228 almost placing a sixth cone as 5383 goes back in their high junction area, capping off that massive blue junction. 5980 going back in, and 11228 claiming their ground once again on that high junction. As we enter endgame, 21906 is going in for their cap beacon as 5383 does the same. 5980 going to place their beacon and successfully doing so. 5383 and 21906 caught in a bit of a tangle over here. And 11228 places on parts of their terminal, and that's the end of the game. And let's see those scores. It is a Blue Alliance win. Alliance 4 will be moving on to the final rounds from a 151 to 96.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! All right, everybody's doing their autonomous. Twisted Devils blue. Oh. All right, seems like everybody's autonomous is done with like 12 seconds to spare. Two, one.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and now it is the driving. Twisted Devils blacks trying to get it on, and they got it. And Twisted Devils blue also got one. They're going for a second, and they made it on the high junction. And now DCS Robotics got one as well. Twisted Devils Black is going for another high junction, and so is DCS Robotics. And they both make it, and there goes Twisted Devils Blue. DCS Robotics is going to take that. Oh, but Twisted Devils Blues is there instead. And they made it. DCS Robotics looks like they're taking one, and they got it. All right, now they're going to try to steal that back. Oh, they're trying to get a bottom junction. Twisted Devils Blue is racking up quite a lot of cones on that one junction. DCS Robotics is taking a hold of that junction. And now it's endgame. Oh, Twisted Devils Blues going for an 8th. All right, DCS Robotics has got it. Now looks like they're going for a cap as well as Robo Squires. They're going. And that's it. Good job, everybody.
Let's kick off our Pentultimate Finals match in 3, 2, 1, go! 8027 going right for that high junction as 1228 does their routine. 9087 almost making it to the high. 5384 going to the mid junction. Successfully placing. 11228 gets another on the Y junction and almost on that third. Lastly, they go for their zone, almost.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we're kicking off our teleoperated period. We have 9087 with their cone going for the high junction as their alliance mate does the same. 11228 on that high junction. 5384 searching around the field for another cone as 9087 goes for the low junction, almost making it. 5384 picking up another. Team 8027 picking up a blue cone, dropping it off in the terminal. Team 5384 going to that low junction as 9087 drops off in the terminal. 11228 almost placing on that high junction. 8027 going for that high junction. 11228 is a bit stationary right now as 5384, their alliance mate, goes to cap off that high junction that blue is currently dominating. .8027 going to place on the mid junction as 802987 goes back to claim that high junction. We are about 10 seconds away from endgame. 8027 back on that junction. 11228 going back for another cone. 9087 going to pick up a blue cone. We are now in our endgame period. Who will be able to create a circuit first or place their beacon? We have one beacon placed up by 9087. And 5384 about to place theirs. Successfully placing.
We ready to start this match? All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh.
And the Red Alliance has scored. Has scored again.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, now the driving has started. Twisted Devil Black already putting one on. Oh, and there goes Overclocked Bots. The Vikings are going for a top junction. Oh, and they made it. And they did another. The Red Alliance is stacking up a lot of cones, but it looks like the Blue Alliance is coming along. The Vikings have another cone, getting ready to put it down on a bottom junction. All right, Blue is picking up cones, putting them on junctions. And Overclocked Bots have put another one. That is 4 cones and about to be 5. Now they're trying to add another one, but not quite high enough. Now they're going to capture from Blue. Twisted Devil Blue's got a cone. Looks like they're trying to connect the circuit. Oh! And back. Now it is endgame. has stolen it back. The Twisted Devils Black. They have connected. And that is it. Good game, guys. Last match. Woo! All right, let's look at the scores and see who won. Good job, Blue Alliance!
There you have it. The trio of Twisted Devils, Black, Green, and Blue, win it all with a decisive 2-0 victory over the 4th-seeded Alliance. But the day is not over. We still have the awards ceremony to go through. There are a set number of awards given out to teams based on certain criteria. Some have to do with performance during matches, but others don't. You don't have to do well to get an award, and even if you do well, you may not get an award. Some of these awards are also automatically qualified teams for states, making these super, super important. Sarah, Kaylee, take it away.
Welcome to the Michigan Kentwood FTC Qualifier Awards and closing ceremony for First Tech Challenge and Power Play, presented by Raytheon Technologies. Thank you.
Judges' Choice Award is given at the direction of the judges to a team they have encountered whose unique efforts, performance, or dynamics merit recognition. Yet the team does not fit into any of the existing award categories. Here is what the judges have to say about this award. This team has really grown. Soon they will be Knights. The judges' award goes to team 18975, the Robo Squires.
The Compass Award recognizes an adult coach or mentor who has given an outstanding guidance and support for a First Tech Challenge team throughout the year. The winner of the Compass Award is determined from candidates nominated by student team members via a 40 to 60 second video, highlighting how their mentors helped them become an outstanding team and has truly demonstrated what it means to be a gracious professional. Here's what the judges have to say about this award. Thank you, Mr. Steve. The winner of this award is Steve Stout of Team 10031, Red Storm Robotics Blue.
I think Mr. Steve should be nominated for the Mentor Award, because if you have anything you need to be fixed, he can fix it for you. If you need anything for your robot, he can get it for you, and he's cool. And cut.
Mr. Steve is a great mentor because he let me use the stuff that not everybody could use.
He helps us a lot with different mechanical ideas that we have, and he helps us execute them, and he also helped us a lot with our programming.
He's a very charismatic person. You can tell that he definitely cares about the subject that kids are trying to learn.
He's both very friendly, and he has the most experience beside Mr. V and Mrs. V. He might even have more experience than them.
He's just really nice. He's very helpful.
The Promote Award is given to the team that is most successful in creating a compelling message for the public and working to change our culture and celebrate science, technology, engineering, and math. The video submission was evaluated by the judges to determine the winner of this award. Teams must present a thoughtful and high-quality video which best exhibits this year's topic of How I Learned About First. The winner is 21906, Red Storm Robotics Gold.
How'd you find out about First?
So I did first Lego Week at Palo Alto in elementary. I found First through a summer camp, and my mom heard about it and she thought that would be fun. She started talking to us. In 5th grade, a person that worked at NASA came over, and I got really into it and wanted to join the middle school team. In 6th grade, I heard about FTC and I thought it would be really fun, and I joined FTC. And when I was in middle school, I started robotics.
The Design Award expands on this year's challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robots. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it applies to the tasks, the look and feel of the robot, and how the design allows us to think in robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, but should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion. In third place, we have Team 21906, Redstorm Robotics Gold. In second place, we have Team 11228, Overclocked Bots. Here is what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Here, it's easy to draw an X through designs that don't work, but this team found a way to cut through the competition. The Design Award goes to Team 15815, DCS Defender Robotics.
The Motivate Award. The team that receives the Motivate Award celebrates the culture of FIRST and clearly shows what it means to be a team. This award celebrates the team that represents the essence of the FIRST Tech Challenge competition through team building, team spirit, and displayed enthusiasm. This is a team who makes a collective effort to make FIRST known throughout their school and community and sparks others to embrace the culture of FIRST. In third place, we have 9087 Twisted Devil's Green. In second place, we have 10104 That Other Team. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This is a team that goes out of their way to help others, and they send a vibration through the community. The winner of this award goes to 5980 Titanium Tech Vikes.
The Control Award, sponsored by ARM Incorporated, celebrates the team that demonstrates innovative thinking in the control system to solve game challenges such as autonomous operation, enhancing mechanical systems with intelligent control, or using sensors to achieve better results on the field. The third place goes to 8027, Twisted Devil's Blue. Second place goes to Team 11228, Overclocked Bots. Here is what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Using their encoders and camera to move into the position autonomously, this team would storm across the field, sprinkling cones onto the junctions. Congratulations, Team 21906, Redstorm Robotics Gold.
All right, for the Innovate Award, sponsored by Raytheon Technologies, celebrates a team that has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their designs come to life. This award is given to the team that the judges feel have the most innovative and creative robot design solution for the FIRST Tech Challenge game. Elements of this award include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking. This award may address the design of the whole robot or some sub-assembly component of the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all of the time during matches to be considered for this award. The team's engineering portfolio showed the design of the components and the team's robot and clearly explains how the team arrived at their solution. In third place, we have 10024 Twisted Devil's Black. In second place, we have 10031 Redstorm Robotics Blue. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This team came with the heights set high. Using their swiveling elevator system, they really set their sails for competition. Congratulations, Team 8027 Twisted Devil's Blue.
The Connect Award is presented to a team that judges feel most connected with their local science, technology, engineering, and math community. A true FIRST team is more than the sum of its parts and recognizes that engaging in their local STEM community plays an essential part in their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand FIRST, the FIRST Tech Challenge, the team itself. In addition, this team aggressively seeks and recruits engineers and explores the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology. In third place, we have Team 6482, Redstorm Robotics Red. In second place, we have Team 11228, Overclocked Bots. Here is what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Red is not in their team feature, and this team is not Heavenly Creature. The Connect Award goes to Team 9087, the Twisted Devil's Green.
All right, The Think Award is given to the team that the judges feel best reflects the journey of the engineering design process. The engineering portfolio is the key reference for judges to help them identify the most deserving team. This team's engineering portfolio focused on the design and build stage of the team's robot and exemplifies their journey as a team and engineers. In third place, we have 9087 Twisted Devil's Green. In second place, we have 11228 Overclocked Bots. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. It takes many prototypes to get a design to compete. Sometimes your design needs a hand to compete. The Think Award goes to the team 10031 Red Storm Robotics Blue.
Now let's take the time to recognize our finalist alliance for today. Our captains, Team 11228 Overclocked Bots, Team 5980 Titanium Tech Bikes, and Team 5384 Emergency Situation. Evacuate now!
All right, and now to our winning alliance, the captain, 8027 Twisted Devils Blue. Also, 9087 Twisted Devils Green. And 10024 Twisted Devils Black.
The Inspire Award is presented to the team that judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the first Tech Challenge program. The team that receives this award is a strong ambassador for FIRST programs and works to promote FIRST and make it loud in their community. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as a model FIRST Tech Challenge team both on and off the playing field. This team shares their experiences, enthusiasm, and knowledge with other teams, sponsors, and their community and the judges. Working as a unit, this team will have shown success in performing the task of designing and building a robot. In third place, we have Team 21906 Red Storm Robotics Gold. In second place, Team 10031 Red Storm Robotics Blue. Here is what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Mechanism wheels and slides aren't the only way to score. Sometimes it takes a 4-bar to reach for the sky. Congratulations, Team 11228 Overclocked Bots. We have 8 slots for our state competition at Calvin College from December 15th to the 17th. These teams going to states will be 11228 Overclocked Bots, 8027 Twisted Devils Blue, 10031 Red Storm Robotics Blue, 9087 Twisted Devils Green, 21906 Red Storm Robotics Gold, 10024 Twisted Devils Black, 5980 Titanium Tech Bike, and the final team going to states, Team 5384 Emergency Situation. Evacuate now.
And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this competition recap. We made this video so any team from this competition can relive the experience. If this is something you enjoyed and would want to see more of, please let us know. Also, please share this video. Post it on your team's Facebook page. Show everybody what a competition is actually like. Also, obligatory subscribe plug, we have more videos in the works and are planning to be consistently uploading throughout the next FRC season. We're going to have weekly vlogs, prototype showcases, more competition documentaries, and a few specialty videos sprinkled along the way. If that all sounds interesting, please subscribe and stick with us.
You want to say something?
Hi! Luna! Yes, Luna!
I don't know who that is.